Replacing your windows is one of the most impactful home improvement projects you can undertake. Not only does it improve the look and feel of your home, but it can also enhance energy efficiency, comfort, and overall home value. For homeowners in Nampa, Idaho, selecting the right replacement windows is crucial to getting the most out of your investment. Here's a guide to help you choose the best replacement windows for your home, considering factors like climate, budget, and style. Consider Nampa's climate. Nampa experiences a range of weather conditions, from cold, snowy winters to hot, dry summers. Because of this, your choice of windows should provide strong insulation to handle the temperature extremes. In the winter, you'll want windows that can keep the heat inside, and in the summer, you'll want to keep the cool air in while blocking out excessive heat from the sun. Look for energy-efficient windows that feature double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and gas fills, like argon or krypton, between the panes. These features improve insulation by reducing heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Additionally, windows with low-E coatings protect against UV rays, which can help maintain your home's interior temperature and reduce fading of furniture and carpets. Choose the right window style. Your window style should complement both the architecture of your home and your personal preferences. Nampa homes come in various designs, from traditional to modern, and the right window style can enhance curb appeal and add character to your home. Double-hung windows. One of the most popular window styles, double-hung windows are versatile and easy to clean. They feature two sashes that can slide up and down, offering excellent ventilation and a classic look. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward, offering great ventilation and an unobstructed view. These are ideal for hard-to-reach places like over the kitchen sink. Sliding windows. If you have a more modern or contemporary home, sliding windows are a sleek option. They open horizontally and are easy to operate, making them a good choice for larger openings or spaces where you don't want to sacrifice wall space. Bay or bow windows. For homeowners who want to add dimension to their home, bay or bow windows extend outward, creating a cozy nook inside. These windows allow for expansive views and plenty of natural light. When selecting your window style, consider the function of each room, the amount of ventilation needed, and how each window will complement your home's aesthetic. Material matters. Choose the right frame. The material of your window frame plays a crucial role in its performance, durability, and maintenance requirements. Each material has its own set of advantages, so it's important to choose the one that fits your needs and lifestyle. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is one of the most affordable and low-maintenance options available. These windows offer excellent energy efficiency, are resistant to moisture, and don't need to be painted. Vinyl windows are also durable and can withstand Nampa's fluctuating weather. Wood windows. Wood windows have a classic, elegant look and can be a great choice for historic homes. They provide excellent insulation but require regular maintenance to prevent rotting, warping, or fading. If you choose wood, ensure that the windows are properly sealed and treated for weather resistance. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass frames are durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance, making them an excellent option for homeowners looking for long-term performance. They are resistant to expansion and contraction in extreme weather conditions, which is beneficial in Nampa's varying climate. Aluminum windows. While aluminum windows are sleek and durable, they tend to be less energy efficient than other options, unless they are thermally broken. They are more commonly used for commercial buildings but can work in modern homes if chosen correctly. Energy efficiency features. Energy efficiency should be at the top of your list when selecting replacement windows. In Nampa's fluctuating climate, energy-efficient windows will help keep your heating and cooling costs down year-round. When considering the energy efficiency of replacement windows, look for the following features. Low E glass. Low emissivity. Low E coatings reduce the amount of UV and infrared light that enters your home, while still allowing natural light to pass through. This helps keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Gas fills. Many energy-efficient windows come with gas fills like argon or krypton between the panes of glass. These gases help to insulate the window, reducing heat transfer and enhancing energy efficiency. Energy Star certification. Look for windows that are Energy Star certified. These windows meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and can help reduce energy costs while minimizing environmental impact. Budget and warranty considerations. The cost of replacement windows can vary widely depending on the material, style, and energy-efficient features you choose. While vinyl windows tend to be more affordable, high-end options like fiberglass or wood can come with a higher price tag. It's important to balance your budget with your desired window features, keeping in mind that the long-term savings from energy-efficient windows can offset the initial investment. Additionally, consider the warranty offered by the manufacturer. Quality replacement windows typically come with a warranty that covers defects and sometimes even labor costs. Be sure to understand the terms of the warranty, including what's covered and for how long, so you can make an informed decision. Professional installation is key. Even the best windows can underperform if they're not installed correctly. To ensure maximum energy efficiency and longevity, hire a professional window installer with experience working in the Nampa area. A professional will make sure your windows are properly sealed, aligned, and insulated, preventing issues like drafts or moisture infiltration that could compromise your window's performance. Conclusion. Choosing the right replacement windows for your Nampa home is an important decision that can have lasting effects on your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. By considering your climate, preferred window styles, frame materials, and energy-efficient features, you can make an informed decision that meets your needs and fits your budget. Don't forget that professional installation is crucial to maximizing the benefits of your new windows. With the right windows, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, increased home value, and a more comfortable living space for years to come.